All right, special thanks to this company for sending me their dash cam to create an unboxing and show everybody what comes inside of this. You can see this is the full HD 1080p dash cam, and not a lot around the box, just dash cam, and that's really about it. Got the company logo there. Again, thanks to them for sending this to me. Slide off the sleeve, and oh, look at that, very nice. Okay. So over here is like your power adapters and everything. So yeah, that'd go into your cigarette lighter, and this would plug into your camera or some other device. This looks like one of the mounts. So yeah, that's the suction cup mount. Mount it and suction cup it. And this is looks like some cable clips and a little USB cable as well. And then this must be the actual dash cam. It has, look at that. We also have a little booklet down in here with everything you would need to know about this dash cam. Tells you how to contact them and everything. So this is the actual dash cam. Like I said, it just kind of slides right on to this piece here. And then you'd be able to suction cup this whichever way you needed to record. Over here is where your power port is, and you do have an included little SD card here. Looks like 32 gigs, not too shabby. Nicely done to include something like that. All right, so this is what the dash cam would look like. Very, very tiny, not something that's huge and gonna take up a ton of space. And looks like you have a pretty good power cable there as well. Also, these mounts are just outstanding. When you clip something with this, it's not going anywhere. Again, special thanks to this company for sending out their dash cam for this unboxing so you can see what comes in here. Hope you guys like the unboxing video. 2 thumbs up to them. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.